Sick of the same old razors and shaving devices? Well, so are we here at Commando Industries. So we have brought you the Predator 2000. Ooh, complete with 57 different shaving heads, all with the ability to cut to the bone closeness and fits in the garage for easy storage. And what do our customers think of the Predator 2000?
Before I discovered the Predator 2000, my face was soft and smooth. Now I have severe facial scarring that will last a lifetime. Thanks, Commando.
Our opposition think about the Predator 2000. And coming soon, for the special lady in your life, the Ladies Predator 2000 with special options.